Hello everyone, this is Owen from BinaryOptionsReview.com, and today I want to show you the binary options trading system with the ZoomTrader broker. Now there's some fantastic options here. This is a really simple platform to use. You see here it gives you instant heads up on several different pairs, and it gives you also trader insight. Now the two that are really sticking out with me right now are the US dollar versus yen and the Australian dollar versus US dollar. Now, Australian dollar versus US dollar, it's on an upward trend, but we're meeting a point of resistance. So I'm going to hold off on that one. However, the US dollar versus Japanese yen, this is getting to be a point of support. You see several times where it's bottomed out right here. We're hovering around it. And also the trader insight is also in agreement in the saying that a call is going to be a good thing to do. So you see we're starting at 87.53. We'll issue a call, and we're going to go ahead and we'll put $2,000 into that. That'll be a payout of $3,600 should it go, and we'll go ahead and we'll execute that trade. And you'll see here that now it shows, okay, this is the direction it's going. Here's my return. We're kind of bouncing along the right area in the right direction. And of course, it doesn't expire until 8:30, and right now we're about 10 minutes out from that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this, and we're going to come back to it in just a little bit and see exactly where everything all wraps up. We'll see in a moment. All right, everybody, and we're back here, and so now we're looking at the U.S. dollar versus yen. It's bouncing around along on the bottom here. You're going to see that right at the moment we're just outside of the money, very close, very, very close. If you see here on where it is versus where we came in at, and you know, that's the way it happens sometimes. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is we'll take a look at we've got the dollar versus the Australian dollar, and we also got the euro versus the yen, and euro versus yen is very strong. It's going in the right direction, and so we're looking at that. But if you also look here at the Australian dollar versus US dollar, we were right in the fact that it was hitting that point of resistance. So we're bouncing along here at the point of support. And so the best way to go about this when you do come up with a trade that didn't go your way is to really go through and reassess and see where you're at. Obviously, you see now we've got the time to invest here, this line. We've got plenty of time to make our decision. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give this another pause. I'm going to come closer to this time to invest, and we'll see exactly where we're at. My goal is to hit at right around the 102.428, and that's about where our point of support really is for this pair. And then we're going to go ahead and we'll go for another call. We're still seeing, even from the trader insight, we're seeing an above indication, meaning that we will end up doing a call on it. And actually, it looks like that pair dropped down even a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and do the call right now. We're going to put another $2,000 in at it. Actually, 2,500, because I think that'll be the max. And we'll buy in here at this, and that should then end up putting us in a point of profit here. And we're going to do one more because we're still chasing the tail of it at 2,500 there as well, another call. So now we're going to try and make up for what we lost on that first one and profit from as well. So all right, I'll come back to you here in just a little bit, and we'll show you what the results were. Thanks so much. All right, everybody, so we're winding down the last little bit of the time here on this trade. As you'll see here, we're getting a good return on our money, 2,500 in, 4,500 back out. You'll see also where we came in at. We came in at the point of support, and it grew rapidly. So, you know, obviously sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose, but the thing is, if you stay with your same trading pair, if you stay with your same trading program, you're going to make money. It's not a problem. You'll see US dollar versus yen, it's still in the green on the call side. We did our call. We're making great money and great return on it. And in just a few seconds here, we'll see it updated. It's 42.53 with $2,000 or 2,500 in. And so now you're going to see it came back up 87.53. So we're back to where we were before. And now all we need to do is just go and do it again. Now, my whole question is this, is where else are you going to go to get this kind of rate of return in this kind of time? What, it took us a total elapse of, what, 20 minutes to go through and make this kind of money. So once again, that's trading with ZoomTrader.com. This is Owen from BinaryReviews.com, and I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Thanks so much.